Hiya, yeah, it's just a quick video that's going to show you this metal detector. You might think it looks like a Garrett H250 with a nil tornado coil, and well, you'd be half right. Yeah, here's a tornado coil. But it's not an Ace 250, although it looks exactly the same. It's the Raider MD6250, what I got off a certain auction site. It works exactly the same as the Garrett Ace 250. So that's why I bought this tornado coil, and I'm happy to say it does actually work okay with this coil. So if you want to get a cheap kick-ass detector, then have a look, just to check this out. I mean, the detector cost, I think they're about £92 now, and the coil was 115. So about just over 200, you get yourself a really deep-seeking detector. So I'll just switch it on. So yeah, I did. I took it out on the field, and I had a tornado before, and yeah, it seemed to work just fine. So looks like the circuit board on this detector is the same as the Garrett's. Anyway, I hope you find that useful, and catch you in the next video.